Hey everyone, purchasing a powerful laptop at a reasonable price has gotten easier in recent years. The days of computers being prohibitively expensive, even for basic configurations, are long gone. Even in the category of convertibles, or devices that combine the capability of a laptop and a tablet, the market today offers a myriad of options that deliver significant computing power without breaking the budget. The Ninkear T40 is one such new model in this portfolio. The Ninkear T40 exemplifies the convertible appearance at this, and comes packed with impressive specifications. Its standout feature is the 14-inch IPS screen with a 16:10 fold resolution, complete with 10-point touch controls. The detachable magnetic keyboard not only adds versatility, but also boasts Bluetooth connectivity and RGB backlighting, allowing users to seamlessly transition between laptop and tablet modes, as per their requirements. Furthermore, its lightweight appearance of 0.95 kilograms and slim profile of 10.2 millimeters enhance portability and convenience. Performance-wise, the Ninkear T40 is no slouch. It is powered by the new Intel N100 Alder Lake N processor, complemented by 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and a spacious 512 GB SSD drive. This configuration ensures smooth multitasking and ample storage for various applications and files. The device also features a 38 watt-hour battery that offers around 6 hours of endurance, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for fast wireless networking, and a full-featured USB-C port that supports audio, video, data transmission, and PD fast charging. The pricing for the new Ninkear T40 convertible is quite attractive, making it an enticing option for budget-conscious consumers. Priced at €379 in the official Ninkear shop, this sleek convertible offers a compelling combination of features and affordability. What's more, customers can choose to purchase it from either the Chinese or French warehouse, ensuring convenience and efficient delivery. Running on the pre-installed Windows 11 operating system, the Ninkear T40 delivers a modern computing experience with optimized features and compatibility. This convertible laptop offers a blend of performance, mobility, and cost, making it an appealing option for anyone looking for a capable and adaptable computing solution without going over budget, whether for business, play, or creative projects. The Ninkear T40 is unquestionably a laptop worth considering for anyone looking for a stylish, feature-rich convertible laptop at a reasonable price. Make sure to check it out in the official Ninkear store for an easy and convenient way to get your hands on a reasonably priced yet potent computing solution. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.